Basic single-color cabin bulbs can make an interior feel dated. Car ambient lights are a smarter upgrade, adding customizable color and atmosphere around the cabin. Today, we're counting down 10 options, so keep watching for the best upgrade, and don't miss our #1 pick. If something catches your eye, you'll find links to every product in the description below.
And if you enjoy honest reviews and smart buying guides, be sure to subscribe to Auto Review Lab. Now, let's kick off the countdown with number 10.
Starting our list is the TEKSHINNY 6-in-1 Acrylic Interior Car LED Light Kit. It uses 6 acrylic light strips to create a brighter, more even glow than traditional fiber optic setups. Through the wireless app, you can choose from 16 million colors, adjust brightness, change effect speed, or select from 213 preset modes. A built-in microphone also lets the lighting react to music and surrounding sound. The strips can be bent or cut to suit different interior layouts, and the system runs on 12-volt power. It suits drivers wanting a more dramatic dashboard or trim look. A static color mode is available too. Next, we move to a simpler neon-style option. Coming in at number 9 is the QVEVDACAR 16.5-foot EL wire interior car light in blue. Instead of multiple LED pods, this uses one flexible electroluminescent wire that can trace dashboard gaps, door lines, or other interior contours. The 5-volt system is USB powered, and the listing highlights an upgraded driver designed to operate more quietly. The wire is water resistant, bendable, and can be cut to length, though the new end needs to be sealed after cutting. It also produces little heat during extended use. This is a good fit for drivers who prefer it.
At number 8 is the Govee H7090 RGBIC Car LED Strip Light Kit. Its standout feature is segmented RGBIC control, which can display multiple colors at the same time instead of limiting each strip to one shade. The Govee Home app lets you adjust brightness, choose from 16 million colors, create DIY effects, and explore preset scene modes. 4 music modes use the built-in microphone to sync lighting with songs, making the setup especially fun for road trips or evening drives. The kit uses a 2-line design with 4 30-centimeter strips and draws power from a 12-volt cigarette lighter connection for cars. Next, we step into a longer fiber optic ambient setup.
Taking the 7th spot is the Jushope 5-in-1 RGB fiber optic car ambient lighting kit. With 236 inches of fiber optic material, it is designed to run through interior gaps for a more integrated lighting effect. Control comes through the Lotus Lantern app or the included RF remote, with options for 16 million colors, 29 dynamic modes, brightness, timing, and effect speed. A built-in microphone can also sync the lights with music. Power can come through USB or hard wiring, supporting DC 5 to 24 volts. The fiber can be bent or cut easily. For runs over 100 inches, added end lighting may help. Next comes a simpler underdash kit. Landing at number 6 is the Nilight 4-piece USB Interior RGB Light Kit. This setup uses 4 strips with a total of 48 LEDs, making it suited for footwells and under dash areas rather than trim line illumination. It runs from a 5-volt USB connection and includes an IR remote for control. The sound active function changes colors with music or your voice, adding movement without needing an app. Nilight also lists water resistance, ABS construction, and an ultra-thin design. Installation is simple. Plug it into USB, peel the backing, and stick the strips to the floor. It works with cars equipped with a 5-volt USB port. Next, we reach the top 5. Breaking into the top 5 is the Winzwon app-controlled car interior LED light kit. Its extra-long cabling is designed for vehicle interiors, while the flexible strips can be tucked into gaps for a cleaner look. Control is handled through an app, where you can change colors, adjust brightness, customize effects, and use music mode. A built-in high-sensitivity microphone lets the lights flash and change with the rhythm of your music, which can make nighttime drives feel lively. The strips are waterproof and USB powered. For installation, clean the placement area first and avoid repeatedly removing the adhesive strips since that can reduce stickiness. Next, we move to a fiber optic system. Taking the 4th spot is the QVEVDACAR 5-in-1 fiber optic interior car light kit. It combines 236 inches of fiber optic lighting with app control, giving you access to 16 million colors, 29 preset modes, brightness adjustment, and effect speed control. A sound-sensitive function can sync the lighting with music for road trips or evening cruising. The system runs from a 12-volt cigarette lighter connection and includes short-circuit protection, plus a memory function. Installation is designed for interior gaps for an integrated look instead of hanging loosely. Test the system before installation, and note that this version does not include a remote. Coming up, number 3 offers a more familiar 4-strip setup. Our number 3 pick is the BFXM 5-volt car interior LED strip light kit. It includes 4 LED strips, a USB cable, a remote control, and spare adhesive-backed sheets. You can manage the lighting with the remote or Bluetooth app, adjusting color, brightness, and timing. The app offers 16 million colors and music synchronization, so the cabin lighting can react to music. The strips use waterproof materials and are intended for areas such as the footwell, floor, or dash. Installation is peel, stick, and plug into a vehicle USB port, making this a practical choice for drivers who want app features without a fiber optic install. Next comes a wireless alternative. Claiming the runner-up position is the TEKSHINNY 4-piece wireless interior car light set. These compact lights skip long cables and strips using rechargeable modules, each with 6 RGB LED beads. Touch once to cycle through 7 colors, or use a long touch to turn the light on and off. Installation uses an iron plate with double-sided tape, while the magnetic design lets you remove each light quickly. The lights recharge via USB, with the listing stating about 40 minutes for a full charge and roughly 2 hours of illumination. They work well in storage boxes, armrest areas, or seat corners. Finally, our number 1 pick returns to a strip light system. Our top pick is the Govee RGB Smart Car Interior Light Kit. It combines 4 LED strips with a tidy 2-line layout, helping reduce exposed wiring around the cabin. Through the Govee Home app, you can choose from 16 million colors, adjust brightness, create DIY effects, or activate music mode. A built-in microphone lets the lights move with your soundtrack during road trips, commutes, or drives. The kit uses a 12-volt car charger for power. For installation, clean and dry the mounting surface, then secure the strips with the supplied adhesive and support clips. Rubber tubing helps protect the lights from water spills, while included zip ties provide extra reinforcement.
Thanks for watching Auto Review Lab. Ready to upgrade your ride or stay prepared for the road? Check the links in the description to explore today's top picks. Like, subscribe, and tell us which product you'd choose.